What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a trying cheap products video. So a company called Priseer reached out to me for this video and was like, we would love for you to try some of our products and show it in a video. So I was like I was kind of intrigued. Like some companies I just kind of am like, like I'm not that interested, but I was really interested in this company because it is very, very similar to Wish. Prices wise, they are located overseas, so it does take like the same amount time Wish products take to get to your house, same time period like Priseer products get to your house. Also, like on Wish you have to pay like shipping per item, same thing on Priseer. There's different producers and companies on each main app, so you'll have like different things. So like this smartwatch is not the same brand as these AirPods, you know what I mean? So you're gonna get different producers, you're gonna get different companies on both of these apps. This isn't supposed to be about Wish, but I'm just saying if you're familiar with Wish, Priseer is very similar to Wish. Priseer is available on iOS, and I'm pretty sure Samsung, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure Samsung is completely free to download, and they also have a website, so if you're too lazy to download the app, you can just go to their website. Let's get started with these knockoff AirPods. So this is what the packaging looks like. These are called i7 Mini. They look very, very similar to AirPods. They're definitely not AirPods though. So on their website, it's listed as Bluetooth, hands-free, stereo, mini, wireless earbuds with mic and with charging box, fashion earphones for Android iPhone. Wow, that was a lot. So these were $6.48, so these were nice and cheap. And the shipping was $3 for these. So again, like $9, $10 for some AirPods. You could totally fool someone. Except I'm kind of disappointed because I opened these up. I haven't used any of these things yet, but I was just opening them up because I was kind of eager, you know? And these are black. Like, I cannot fool someone that these are AirPods. They're black. You know what I mean? So, this is the packaging. It's kind of nice. Again, I don't have AirPods, so I don't have really anything to compare these to. I don't know how these work. Let's see. There's instructions on the bottom of this, but they're in another language. Yeah, completely. Oh, wait, there's English. So, these are them. If you guys want some black ones, you can try to fool someone, but they're definitely not AirPods because they're black. I don't think AirPods come in black. I don't think so. So, comes with the case, comes with the charger, comes with some instructions. I'm not 100% sure what to do. So I'm supposed to press these two buttons at the same time until they start flashing alternately. What starts flashing? Whoa, something just talked. Oh, they're flashing. I heard them like say connected. Wow, that was weird. Now, oh no, I just pressed it again. Is this not on? Oh, okay, then I need my phone for this, I think. So, I'm on Bluetooth right now, and supposedly, if I go to Bluetooth on my phone, something should pop up. Oh, right here. i7 Mini came up on my phone. I think I'm doing this right. Okay, so it says it's connected now. So, supposedly, if I just put these in my ears, ow, these are not comfortable. Oh. Oh, this is gonna work. You could totally fool your teacher with these. Like, you can't even see them. It works. Ready? Fly. Can you hear it? I drink till I'm drunk, yeah, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I am fly. You can, oh that killed my vibe, can't do that anymore. Alright, honestly, I'm impressed. They kind of hurt my ears. I mean, definitely wouldn't bring these to school. I think people would make fun of me. But I mean, it's worth the try. It's worth the 10 bucks, okay? If you're really desperate to get some and you don't have the money, and then I guess you just like plug this in to this and like charge it. I'm kind of impressed. I wish they were white because I feel like they would look a little bit more ideal, and they're just not comfy on my ear. But are they worth the 10 bucks? Yes, they work perfectly. I just don't think they could pass as AirPods, and that's what I was trying to see is would they pass as AirPods, and they don't. The next thing is a smartwatch. I'm very intrigued, you guys. Look at the packaging. It's very Apple Watchy. Gives me the Apple Watch vibes, you know? Here we go, ready? Ah! Oh my God, so pretty. So the name of this, all right, this is gonna be long. The name of this is New Z60 Plus Smartwatch Phone Pedometer Sedentary. What the heck does that mean? Remind, sleep, monitor, remote camera, compatible with Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, iPhone, Android, iOS smartphones, iPhone PKDZ09GT08. That's what this is. So, this was a whopping $13, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this was a whopping $13.29 plus shipping, $5. 20 bucks right here for this dude, not even 20 bucks. So we're gonna try him. He's kind of cheap feeling, okay? I guess he's a he now, I'm kind of confused. But she's like a rose gold. She's kind of cute, she's kind of bulky. I don't know if I'm living for it. Again, comes with instructions, comes with a little charger. For a solid 18 bucks, this is not bad. I mean, it's kind of cheap sounding, listen. It's kind of cheap sounding. It's not bad. I mean, I'm guessing it will work, maybe. I'm too lazy to try though, because literally there's like a million steps. Like, do you see that? Do you see this? I'm not about to do that. So we are just gonna walk away from this, and if I try it before this goes up, I will let you guys know how it is. If I don't, I'll just put it in the comments. Okay, the last thing before we get to dresses, which I'm freaking pumped about, is this. It's a bulb humidifier. Yep, I don't know what it is either. It just looks interesting. Okay, Kaylee, when she finds things that look interesting, she just clicks on them. So, this one was called DC5V 400 milliliter Night Light Bulb Humidifier Air Purifier. That's a mouthful. And this was a whopping $4.05, and shipping was $4.07. Let's do a little unboxing here. This is what you get. If you don't know what a humidifier is, it puts air out. So, what is this? I don't know. Comes with some instructions that are all smushed up. It comes with, oh, this is cute. Look at this little guy. He's a little smiley face. It comes with this little thing. It looks like it's glass, but it's plastic. Do you hear that? So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to, this is a little like filter thing. That's what this is. Because there's one in this, oh my God. Whoa, wait, what is this? There's a spring? Why is there a spring? Did I screw something up already? I put that in the bottom, and then I put this down here. And then I screw this in. What I'm supposed to do is it comes with these little rocks, right? And you're just supposed to decorate the bottom of this thing with these rocks. So it comes with like these things. I guess they're supposed to be rocks. And I just go. I take this little palm tree. You see this little guy? And I'm just supposed to stick him in. Oh, his leaf came out. Screw that. All right, you know what? We're just gonna add that in for some effect, okay? So, this is what my masterpiece looks like. Purified water is gonna have to work. I know it's already a purified humidifier, so I could put the most disgusting water in it and it would purify it, I guess. But this is all I have right by me, so, oh my God, please don't spill. Ah, shiz. I knew that was gonna happen. Stick this little guy in here. So plug this into the wall. And then press the button and it's supposed to work. The light worked. Wait, why is the light working but nothing else is? It's coming out. You guys, it's working and it's changing colors. Wait, that's kind of cool. Wow, all right, I'm kind of impressed. Wow, definitely like that. $8 for a humidifier. Next we have 3 dresses. You probably can't hear me because I'm stupid and I'm crinkling these while I'm talking. But I'm excited for these. We're gonna start with this one. I don't know, it just looks very interesting. So, let's first take it out of the packet and figure out which dress is which, because again, I don't remember what I ordered. So it is called Sexy Woman Backless Lace Bridesmaid Mermaid Wedding Party Dress. It's definitely a lot cheaper than what the photo looks like. This is $7.39, by the way. Shipping is $4, so you're getting a dress for 11 bucks. That would make sense why it's not as good as the picture. The lace scene is kind of nice. I mean, it's not amazing. As you can tell, it's kind of like, I don't know, it's just like not like super well put together. Okay, this one is probably the worst one, and I was so excited about this one too. It goes so low. Like, this is my belly button right here, and this is how low it goes. I think maybe if you pinned it up a little bit, I don't know, I just feel like it's real low and like cut very like You know what I mean? And then the back of it looks like so. It also goes really low. Again, I'm just wearing my PJs underneath it because I'm lazy, but you get the gist of it. Sexy lace party wedding floor length elegant dress. Okay, this one is red. Ooh, this one looks a little bit nicer. It actually has a tag on it. Oh god, oh my, what is this? What? I ordered this? What is this? You guys, look at this. Okay, so it has like lacy, flowery detailing. Can you guys see that? And then it has like a little bit of more fabric in the front so like your boobies don't show through. And then it has like this little bit of like stripedness, and then it just goes down to like some of that whatever fabric this is. Like the tulle type of stuff. And it's long. I'm so freaking excited to see what this looks like on. Okay, this one's honestly, again, for how cheap these are, they're not terrible. Again, these all need a little bit of like steaming or something. They're all a little bit wrinkly, but it's cute. ID is cute. Definitely, it's not zipped up all the way because I can't do it myself the rest of the way, but it's cute. I like the idea of it. The floral print is actually kind of cute, and it goes all the way down to my feet. So I think with heels, this would be super cute. I mean, it's not bad. This one's called Woman Sexy Wedding Party Dress Bride Lace Gown Dresses. So, looks like so. It's definitely a lot thicker. Like, you're not gonna see anything through it. It's a tube top type of thing. I'm actually kind of excited to try this on. It's honestly not bad. It really isn't. And they have the little whatever this called is underneath it, and then they also have this fabric. So I'm not expecting to see anything underneath it. The pads are definitely a little cheap. The lace isn't the best, but it's honestly not bad. For 15 bucks, I think that's one I'm most excited to try on. Okay, so this is this dress. I like the idea of it. It's honestly kind of cute. It smells really bad. The boob cups are just so big, like watch if I let go. It just falls. Like there's just no keeping it from falling. Maybe if I put like a crap ton of fashion tape and maybe like put a big push-up bra on, but like there's nothing form-fitting up here, so it's kind of hard for it to stay. The last thing, I had to go run and get it, is this sweatshirt. So this is called Tops Women's Fashion Autumn Loose Solid Color Cartoon Printing Thick and Long Sleeve Tie Cap Hoodies. I'm freaking obsessed with hoodies, and I'm gonna be obsessed with them this winter because they're just so cute and simple, and it smelled really bad when I first got it, so I had to wash it. But it says Georgetown, which I guess is a college or a university or something like that. It is a little bit oversized, which I think with like some leggings is gonna be so freaking cute. It's a very thick sweatshirt, like in the inside, I don't know if you can tell, but it is literal fleece. You can see that? It's literal fleece. It's going to be very, very warm. So I'm really excited about that because I can bundle up in it and it's gonna be comfy. So I really, really like this. The color's beautiful. All right, guys, that was my Priseer video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I honestly think it is the same as Wish, if not just as good as Wish. I really, really like it. Prices are very, very similar. Very, very accurate. Again, this stuff got here in about 2 to 3 weeks, which is the same as Wish. Again, I'll leave the links down below for everything I made in this video. Everything I mentioned in this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you guys haven't already, and hit the subscribe button, I said that so weird, button down below if you guys have not already, to get me to, I almost said 7,000. 17,000. That is insane to say, but I'm really, really thankful for every single one of you guys. You mean the world to me. Comment down below which one of these items was your favorite and think was the best, like, little cop. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.